Hi everybody and welcome back. Today we will be discussing about how to get Mewing pin in Brawl Stars. So before we begin, there's a link or subscription button below that you can access, and if you subscribe it will be highly appreciated. So first of all, we need to get to know that how to get pins. So pins are basically available from the catalog. You need to head over to that. You have your shop offers and also unlockable from Brawl Pass. So make sure to give it a try to these um, places. Your Brawl Pass catalog, shop offers, and you can also acquire pins from brawlers that you currently own. So make sure to try that out as well. And using pins in battles, basically these are some use cases. So if you head over to these particular sections, catalog, shop offers, you will be able to get your Mewing pin as well, and I'm most probably sure that it should be available in there. So yeah, so these are some of the techniques, and I hope this is going to be helpful. If you have any questions or idea, let us know in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel since we are regularly uploading this type of content. Stay tuned and see you guys in the next video.